In this video, I would like to create some complex function. So, for example, you go to the store and you want to buy some apples, okay? And you need some boxes. So you take the apples and put it to the boxes. And one box has the capacity, for example, 12 apples. And you need functions to calculate how many boxes do you need. For example, if you have I don't know, 24 apples, and you know that one box is 12 apples, so it means how many boxes do you need? You need 2 boxes, right? If you have, for example, 30 apples, so one box is 12 apples, so how many boxes do you need? So you need 30 divided by 12, right? And I can check it. How many is it? It's 2.5. Okay. So you need 2.5 boxes, but of course it means that you need 3 boxes, right? So you need to round it up. So it means the whole number. So the result will be that you need 3 boxes because you can't have 2.5 boxes. Okay. So you have only 2 boxes or 3 boxes, but here you need 3 boxes to be able to transport 30 apples. Okay, I hope it makes sense. So we need to round this number up. Okay, so and we will create something like this. Okay, it will be fun. So at first I will import math because I know that we need to round this number up. And we spoke about it in the previous videos that we have the functions math.sale. It means it round any number to up. So I will import the math, and now we will ask about values from the user. So number of apples we need. So it will be integer, right? int. So input, and we will ask enter the total number of apples, for example, like this. And here we have box capacity, and we said it will be 12. Okay. So I can print number of apples, and we will check it. If it goes well, we will run it. Enter the total number of apples, for example, 30. Okay, great. We printed 30. So it goes well, no mistake, no error, perfect. So now we will put here a function to calculate number of boxes needed. So how many boxes do we need? And we would like to create a function for it. So def apple box calculator, for example, and we need to send there 2 things: apples, so how many apples do we need, or do we have, and capacity. Okay, so it's apples, it will be this number, and box capacity, it will be this number. So now we need to calculate boxes needed, for example, like this. It's up to you. These names are completely up to you guys. So boxes needed, how we will calculate it? So we know that's apples divided by capacity, correct? But this can end like 2.5. So we need the math sale, and it means it will round this number up to the whole number. So if it will be 2.5, the result will be 3. If will be 5.3, it will be 6. If it will be 7.1, it will be 8. Okay, everything is rounded up. Okay, and we can now it's up to you. You can return the boxes needed, so you will return the number, or you can print it. So it's up to you guys. What do you want? So I will print you will need boxes needed. So you will need 3 boxes, for example, for apples. So it will goes like you will need 3 boxes for 30 apples. So this apple is this apple, this capacity is this capacity, and boxes needed is this. Okay, so now everything is okay. So we are calling the function, so it means we will use it. Okay, so apple box calculator, and there will be, so the apples will be this num apples, comma capacity, and it's box capacity. Okay, so now we can run it and we will see. So I will run it, and the total number of apples I put here 30. You will need 3 boxes for 30 apples. Okay, if I run it again, for example 62 apples, you will need 6 boxes for 62 apples. Oh, great, perfect. So we know exactly how many boxes we need. So if I put here 30 and box capacity as 12, so it means it goes 30 here and box capacity is 12. So apples is 30 and capacity is 12. So 30 divided by 12 is 2.5. We will round it by must sale. So it goes up all the time. So it will be 3. And here you will need 3 boxes for, and apples is num apples. So it means for 30 apples. Okay? So I hope guys you understand. And if you want, it is good practice to put a docstring here. So it will goes, for example, like this calculates and prints the number of boxes needed to store apples. So again, if I hover on it by my mouse, it goes here, calculates and prints the number of boxes needed to store apples. So it's this sentence, right? So now we need to tell something about parameters. And again, we have apples. So it's int. So it's integer, the whole number, the total number of apples. After that, we have capacity. Okay, so we have apples and we have capacity. Capacity is integer as well. The number of apples that fit into one box. Okay, and now what's the conclusion? The result is rounded up because you cannot use part of a box. Okay, so we explain why do we need a must sale. Okay, so here is what's the result, we can say, and here is some process what's inside. Okay, so result, parameters, and some notes what is inside. Okay, so the docstring can goes, for example, like this. It's completely up to you. So but at first you need to write or describe some general purpose of the function. After that you will tell something about parameters, and after that is the rest. So it's up to you. Okay, so perfect. So we have something very useful, and that's it. So that's our function with docstring.